Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Netlify Forms integrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Netlify Forms integrations, start by logging into your Netlify account. Navigate to the site dashboard where your project is hosted. Locate the Site Settings section. Click on Site Settings to enter the configuration area for your project. Scroll down to find the Build and Deploy section. Within that section, look for the Forms option. Click on Forms to access the integrations related to form handling. Identify the specific form integration you wish to remove. Next to the integration, click on the Settings or Remove option. Confirm that you want to uninstall the integration. Return to the Site Settings dashboard. Scroll down to the section marked Plugins. If you have any plugins related to form handling, locate them in this area. Click on the plugin you wish to disable or remove. Select the option to remove or disable the plugin. Once removed, check your site's code to ensure there are no lingering form integration scripts. If you find any, navigate to your repository or code editor. Open the file where the form integration was initially added. Carefully remove the associated code segments. Save your changes in your code editor. Finally, deploy your site to ensure everything is updated correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.